Okay, welcome back to Matt's Math and More. Today we're going to work on lesson 5-2, the homework, the dreaded double-digit division, starting to get a little more complicated. Hey, since things are getting more complicated, I think the first thing you should really do is look at organization. How are we going to set up our workspace? How are you going to set up your paper? I really truly feel that more than half the issue will be just staying neat. If you can stay neat, keep your work organized, you're going to find success. Here's my first thing. We're going to fold paper again back to quadrants, but we're going to do it two ways, so check this out. Watch. All right. One piece of paper, you're going to fold what I'm going to call hot dog style. This way we set up some columns. This is where we're going to do all of our division work. So we have nice, neat columns. The other piece of paper, we're going to go back to the old-fashioned quadrants so we can keep track of our multiplication. So inside of here, quadrants 1, 2, 3, and 4, just like what we learned during multiplication. I like to keep the same pattern all the time so you're not learning anything new. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll go back over here, and this is where you're going to do your multiplication. So if we keep our multiplication here on this paper, and the papers look completely different, so there's no mistaking them. Division paper, multiplication paper. Division, multiplication. Not division, not multiplication. Get it? Alright, so just like we were doing with the single-digit division, we're going to set up a double-digit division problem and use our columns, use our rows here, and stay nice and neat. So this is going to be 2,886 divided by 39. I like to start over here. 2,886. Whoops, that's a 0. That's a 6. There you go. First things first. And since I like to do place value method, this is what we're going to teach the kids, because in the old traditional style, there's only one way to do it. Place value, there's more than one way. There's no wrong way. You're going to get the right answer, providing you do your subtraction and multiplication correct. So there's our problem. Get this out of our way. Now, we're just going to ask ourselves the same questions we did with single digit. Does 39 go into 2? No. So this will be a blank. 28? No. This will be a blank. 288? Yes, but I don't know how many times. I'm teaching my class. Always start with 5. That's your easy benchmark. 39 times 5. So you're going to go over here to your multiplication. I'm going to do my 39 times 5. And I keep it up here in the upper corner. That way I can do more problems with 39 on here in the paper. Don't start right here smack dab in the middle, and then you have no room to do other problems. Just put it here, keep it, don't erase it, save it for later. That's 150. This is 45. Add them together. That's a 195. Now, I can use this. I can use the 5. 195 will work. I can subtract out and do it again. I'm thinking I could bump up a little higher. I've got to get to 288, so it's not a little bit higher. It's a lot higher. I'm going to try 39 times 7. I'll bump up 2 times 7. I could have stuck with the 5, though. Actually, I'm going to show you next. I'll do the problem with the 5 next. I'll solve it with 7 this time. I'll do it with the 5 next time and show you get the same answer. Watch this. 21 and a 0. 7 times 9 is 63. So 210 plus 63 is 273. That's actually closest to 288 without going over. But you didn't have to use it. I'm gonna. Blank, blank, 7. That must be 273. I'm going to make it 70 with our magic powers of 10 and just turn this into 2,730. And subtract. I have a 6, I have a 5, I have a 1. Perfect. We have 156. Now we're just asking ourselves the same questions. Does 39 go into 1? No. 15? No. 156? Yes. How many times? I don't know. Well, I know 195 is times 5. Let's try times 4. 39 times 4. That's 120. And 9 times 4 is 36. That would be 156. Oh my gosh, I nailed it. Yes, didn't even mean that. Times 4 is 156. I'm done. Just add your addition sign, 74. Now, the traditional algorithm, these are the exact numbers you would have had to have, 70 and 4. So I want to show you something interesting. So here's the last problem we did. We came up with 74. I rewrote the problem on this side just to show you something different. Let's pretend you didn't like doing your 39 times 7 and 4. You just wanted to stick with the 5. That's an easy one. So let's pretend we started the problem just like we did before. 39 doesn't go into 2, doesn't go into 28. It does go into 288. And let's figure it out. 39, and we always start with 5. That's the easiest one. That's 15, 150. That's 45. That's 195. And it's the same thing we got over here, 195. Now, on this side we decided to shoot for the 7. Let's pretend right now I don't want to. I don't know that anything else exists. I don't know my times tables. I don't like doing them, whatever. I'm going to stick with the 5. That's fine. Blank, blank, 5. Make it a 50. Which is 195, which is 1,950. Now already, when you're doing the standard algorithm, the old-fashioned way, you'd be wrong. Shot it dead in the water, can't do anything. This one, you're fine. Watch. Subtract, we get a 6. We get a 3. And 18 minus 9 is 9. So I have 936. Let's do this again. Does 39 go into 9? No. Does it go into 93? Yeah. Let's just say I only want to do it once. That's 39, or 390. I got a 6. That's a 4. 54. All right. 546. 39 going to 5? No. 54 once. Yes. 390. 14 minus 9 is 5. 156. You see this number 156? It's the same 156 I came up with right here. It's just I knew to jump to 7, so it was 70. This one here I didn't know to jump to 7, so I did 50, 10, and 10, which is 50, 60, 70. So no matter how you go about this one, you're going to come up with the correct answer. You just have to be patient. You might have to do a little more work, and as you go through this, you'll learn, oh yeah, I could have done 20 right here, but the basis of math is learning how to do this yourself, not just guessing and checking. This is knowing. Then our last one is 156, and we know from doing our work over here that 39 times 4 was 156. So I'll bring up my 156. I'll multiply by 4. And I zero out. Then you just add these together. 50, 60, 74. Same as here. The beauty of doing the place value method is there's no one correct way to get there, but as long as you do your multiplication and your subtraction correct, you will all get there following the path of your choice.